So I'm just taking advantage of this beautiful day, going for a nice ride on the one wheel. And I thought I would discuss how to take breaks and why you need to. So in medical school, we have a lot of things that we have to do, and we have to sit at a computer for a long time. But it's really important to get outside. Go for a walk, go for a run, go for a bike ride, whatever you're into. You can't sit inside and sit at your computer, smelling your own farts, breathing your own CO2 for 10 hours straight. You have to get out, because depression does hit medical students, and it hits us hard. So you have to do the things that reduce depression, you know? Some sunlight, some vitamin D, some fresh air, maybe a little cardio, whatever. So if you're struggling, if you feel like the workload's getting too crazy, if you feel like your performance is going down, go outside, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed that, and wish you all the best on your next exam. Go kick some booty.